Hello, welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. So welcome to shot number 4. These are from episodes 17 through 22. Some are just my favorite parts from the episodes. Others are from when I was prepping or some of the outtakes, and they just made me laugh, so I threw them all in there. I have a lot of things that are going on in my life that require my full attention right now, so I'm not going to be able to do the videos for a bit. Everything's fine. I just need like 3 of me so that I can get everything done. So I will be taking a short break, but I will be back and up on July 2nd is when I should be back. So enjoy the following. So I have to... That's okay. I'm usually fixing mine in between. So, okay. Let's do it! Oh. God. Oh. You know,
all right.
It's much better in here. Yeah. God.
Natural?
I don't know, but I can't feel my lips right now. And the next to go will probably be the tongue, so if you can't understand anything I'm saying, this is why. Thank him.
It's not my fault. You go opposite the way it's going, right?
Hell if I know.
Glasses?
That was a little better. Right. Ooh. Yes. Where did I put my eyes, my kingdom for my eyes? Where did I put them? Ooh. Ooh. It says alcohol ink. I know better. Almost could blow these up. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Do you want to go? You want to go with me, or do you just want me to pick it up?
It's up to you. I've started prepping, so
You started what?
I've already started prepping.
Oh, so you're drinking?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Put these down.
I see what you're doing now. You know, if you would sit on this side, it wouldn't be a problem.
Unfortunately, you would be on this side, and you would still do the same
Now
thing.
you need to be next to me.
A craft table like this.
I'll put it there.
Jen, you would never do that. Yeah, we need a fan.
All good to go. Oh, I got 2 fingers in that. I'm missing a finger.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, we got air stuck in there.
Hey, it worked.
How we? Oh, that's a pinky, not a thumb.
Turn it over, Jen.
Oh my gosh. No, they're not.
So we could try the quarter or the
You started.
I snort, you blow. That is not a good combo.
This whole section make it.
Is yours 1-to-1 ratio?
Piece of paper.
Did you get it?
Did. Know how to stir. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
What sizes? They all want to. I'll give you a little round one. Hello?
Ah, that's funny.
Before whole project somewhere.
You have to have it.
Yeah. To your left.
You could. But you see what
What?
that's... Oh, no.
Ooh.
Oh, my goodness. Was you trying to talk?
No, I was not. It was just sounds table. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Rough. I did it upside down. Okay, I'm holding. I'm an idiot. It's good. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, biscuits. Oh. My bad.
Oh no.
Nothing makes sense anymore. God.
Mayday. Use the.
Oh.
What did you do?
That's great. I hurt.
Oh God, no more it broke. Why don't you just stay together? Why don't you just click? Hey Paul, did you know that VW wagon's been recalled because the front end just pops the fuck off and you're trying to... Oh God damn it. Paul, no.
My God. All right. Whoa, my goodness. Over here. I got it. God. I don't got it. happen. Oh my god. I am. Oh. Oh my gosh. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you in July.